Our heart is the pump of our cardiovascular system. Do you know that our heart actually pumps more than 3,600 gallons of blood every single day through 60,000 miles of the blood vessels? The fun fact is eye-opening, isn't it? Our heart really works hard for us, so we should treat it with care. In today's 15 minutes video, I focus on improving and enhancing our heart and cardio system. This 15 minutes yoga include Sitali breath, hand clapping, and the postures of stabilizing and enhancing our heart energy. Now, Sitali breath, it is a very old breathing technique that is usually practiced in Kundalini Yoga. It helps cool our body and also reduce anger, anxiety, and high fever, high blood pressure. It has a lot of benefits. Now, hand clapping, it is very easy. However, this hand clapping has a direct effect on our heart because our heart meridians all end at our hands. So the pressure created by clapping our hands together actually directly work on the heart meridians and also our heart. It enhances the heart function. Okay, now if you are ready, let's have fun on our yoga mat. Sit on your mat with easy pose, just like me. Hands on your knees. And we're gonna start today's exercise with Suve Ground. Suve Ground is when you inhale, turn your body from left to right. And exhale from right to left. This pose helped us open up our pelvis. And reverse direction. Feel the tension, pressure, and openness in your pelvic.
Now, inhale and hold, and exhale. Relax. Now, open arms to your side and clap hands. When you open arms, inhale, clap hands, exhale. Heart meridians end at our hands, so clapping hands has direct effect on our heart. It rejuvenates the heart and strengthens the heart function. Last clapping. Now relax. Now interlace your fingers, index fingers together and pointing out. Inhale, put your arms overhead, and exhale, put your arms down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. This pose enhances our lungs and heart function. It brings blood flows and energy from heart throughout our whole body. Now inhale up and hold, stretch up and relax. Arms down, hands on knees. Next, we're gonna do Sitali breath. Hands in Gyam Mudra. Open your mouth, form your lips with O shape. Project your tongue out of your mouth and curl the tongue like a straw. Then inhale through mouth and exhale through nose. If you can't curl your tongue like a straw, just project your tongue out of your mouth and inhale through mouth, exhale through nose. We'll do Sitali breath for about 3 minutes. This is one of the breathing technique that is usually practiced in Kundalini Yoga. It not only cools our body, but also has a calming effect on our nerve system. It also helps reduce anger, anxiety, and high blood pressure. Now the last one. When you're done, just relax, breathe slowly and deeply. Now we come to our last pose. Do a horse standing on your mat. Feet widely apart, wider than your shoulders. And inhale, hands in prior pose. Exhale, arms stretched, and turn body towards your side. Now you can see my feet. When we turn our body from side to side, try to keep our body horizontally stable. Don't move it up and down. So you inhale, body in the middle, and hands in prior pose. Exhale, turn your body to each side. This pose helps us stabilize our heart chakra, stabilize the energy from our heart. This is also the pose that helps us open our heart. Now inhale and hold and relax. So I finished today's yoga practice. Let's lie down on our mat and just relax. Let our body, our cardio system adjust for themselves. Okay, bend your knees, pull them towards your chest and roll up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Sat Nam.